In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use fonts in Cinema 4D. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your typefaces into your project, pick the right one from the list, and give your text clean 3D depth with an extrude object, all while keeping things simple and reliable. First, make sure the font you want is installed on your operating system. Cinema 4D reads fonts from your system library, so the application will only show fonts that your computer already recognizes. If you've just downloaded a new typeface, install it normally on your system so it becomes available to all apps. It's a good idea to close Cinema 4D while installing just to avoid any refresh issues. Next, restart Cinema 4D. This step ensures the program reloads your system's font list. If you skip the restart, you might not see your newly installed font in the dropdown. A quick relaunch saves you frustration later. Once Cinema 4D is open, create a text object. This gives you editable type as a spline, perfect for logos, titles, or lower thirds. With the text object selected, head to the Attributes Manager. In the Object tab, you can type your content, adjust alignment, and set size. The key control here is the Font dropdown. Click it and you'll see your installed typefaces listed. Choose the font you installed, and your text object will update instantly. If it doesn't appear, double-check that the font is properly installed on your system and that you restarted Cinema 4D. To give your text 3D depth and make it pop, you can place text objects under an extrude object. Create your text objects, then add an extrude object and place the text objects beneath it in the Object Manager. This setup turns your 2D text splines into solid shapes, great for titles or product branding. You can apply different fonts to different text objects, so if you want contrasting styles, like a bold headline with a lighter subhead, select each text object, go back to the Attributes Manager, and pick the desired typeface from the font list. Each text object can have its own font while sharing the same extrude parent for consistent depth and style. If a font doesn't appear as expected, confirm it's installed on your OS, restart Cinema 4D, and then reselect the font in the Attributes Manager. That's all there is to it. Install the font on your system, restart Cinema 4D, create a text object, pick your font, and if needed, place your text objects under an extrude for clean 3D results.